There they go, y'all. They're here.
Here's the Mano's cheesesteak with pepper jack.
Pepper jack cheese. I should have got the pepper.
The American cheese sauce.
That's the homemade American cheese sauce on it, y'all. Look at that cheesesteak. Whoa. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We're here in Pattaya, Thailand, and I'm about to go to Mano's cheesesteak, Mano's Thai kitchen back there. My voice is still a little groggy, but I feel great, man. No temperature, no cough. Well, hopefully no cough. We're about to go in here, man, and see what they got in Mano's cheesesteak here in Thailand. Let's go check it out. Let's walk up in here, y'all. It was suggested to me by a brother that y'all already know, and I see him already up in here sitting down. It's like on this little alleyway in the pavilion. Let's go check it out. The king himself.
That's what I'm getting, y'all. I'm getting the Mano's cheesesteak right there.
So hello everyone, my name is Matthew Manolovitz, aka Mano. I'm an American expat. I've been living outside the state since 2011. See, I got a family business. It's Mano's Cheesesteaks and Burgers, because I used to live by Philly for some time, and here in Thailand I was craving a cheesesteak. There's cheesesteaks here, but it's Western in name only. And so I wanted to try to replicate that taste at home. And then just one thing led to another. It was a spontaneous idea. And then now we have a legit, taste of home American restaurant. All the bread I make every single morning, hoping to be able to move my bakery and have people help me. But now we're 19 months in right now. Every bread is made fresh with my own recipe. The beef is sliced ribeye, Australian grass-fed. Even the burgers is a blend that we grind here. So we're not buying meat in the store. It's Angus beef. Well, what part of the cow is that, right? We're just trying to replicate the taste of American flavors and try to have a little taste of home here for expats.
Candle said he know where the spots is at. Wait till we eat the food. Wait till we eat the food. He said he know where the food is at.
Where y'all want to go? Where y'all want to go to the elephant farm? Y'all want to get some Philly cheesesteak?
Yo, we going
to the Mexican restaurant next. You know what I'm saying?
Look,
we're gonna eat some Mexican food next video.
I know y'all want to see some Thai food too. We're gonna hit those spots. That's an obvious right there. So he know where everything at, y'all. Y'all know this cat, man. We done hung out twice already. Did the interview with him. We was riding the elephants, and yeah, cause this video will be after the interview. So anyway, let's check out the food. There they go, y'all. They're here.
Here's the Mano's cheesesteak with pepper jack.
Pepper jack cheese. I should have got the pepper.
The American cheese sauce.
That's the homemade American cheese sauce on it, y'all. Look at it. That looks good, y'all.
Not that bullshit, right?
Not that BS, y'all. Look.
It's not
wow, y'all. Oh, we got and the onion rings. OMG. Look at them onion rings, y'all. Oh, that looks serious. They real rings.
Thank you.
They real rings. Look, they hooking us up, y'all. You don't get this in Philly. Look, she gave me a knife and a fork. Oh my goodness.
Let's go.
Knife and a fork, bottle and a cork. That's the way you spell New York, but we're not there right now. Look at this, y'all. That really looks good. I see mushrooms. I see that Angus beef that he was talking about. I see red peppers, green peppers. The bread, he said that they make every day, man. That bread looks nice and fresh. You see, let's go into it, y'all. Just like Badland Chug say, enough talk. Oh man, look at this, y'all. Look at that cheesesteak. Whoa. Oh, that dropped off. Oh, it's dripping. It's dripping. Oh, it's looking hot.
Yes, sir.
That joker juicy, cheesy. The seasons on it is the bone. He got me wanting to eat it with a fork. Oh wow. I gotta taste those innards. Look at that meat, y'all. Look at that meat on that cheesesteak. That's that Australian Angus beef. That meat don't taste like steak. It tastes like steak. Period. They thought this was a game. He ain't playing. Matt ain't playing, y'all. Serious.
It's gotta taste like America.
It does, man. Nice and cheesy, and the season on it's delicious.
That's one of the challenges in Thailand is to make it taste like home.
Yeah.
Really good flavors right.
Onions, peppers. And I gotta remind you, right, how hot it is still. It's the temperature hot. What kind of sauce is that? Ketchup? Why they ain't give me no ketchup? Oh, you put that in there yourself? I was complaining. He said, you know why they ain't give you none? Because you gotta give it to yourself. That's why. I was about to complain about something I didn't know about. Oh, that's hot sauce? Look, y'all. I'm gonna put a little hot sauce on it. Shake it up. You gotta shake it up. Come on, let's get a little hot sauce on it. Ha, ha. They laughing at me, y'all, because they be putting hot. You got some hot peppers? I ain't scared. You got some red hot chili? You got some Thai chili peppers? No? Do you?
Thai chili peppers.
Uh-oh.
We do have this.
That's very hot?
Yeah, this one.
Okay,
As
y'all.
hot as it could be. If you want something, that's legitimate.
Okay, not too much though. I'm just playing with it. Not too much. Okay. He coming back with something hot, y'all.
That should look hot right there.
That Carolina Reaper.
I'm too. Season now.
The name look hot.
This is my own personal stash.
Uh-oh. What's that one?
Carolina Reaper.
Oh, this one is too.
This one
It's
is
different.
Carolina Reaper in name only. I restock this like every week because it's got a good flavor. That's legitimate.
Look, y'all.
Reaper sauce.
Look, y'all, we not playing around. We just gonna put a dab on it. I don't want it to start pouring out.
I'll say you get like a little shake.
All right, here we go. Oh!
Approaching the end.
That joker look like it's hot. Look at that, y'all. Can y'all see that hot pepper in there? It looks hot.
I
All
got
right.
something on the menu that's an actual nightmare.
Let's check it out.
1.2 million Scoville.
Oh my goodness, that's hot. Oh wow.
You need some water.
That's hot, y'all. That's like the Thai chili peppers. My eyes are turning red, everything. We about to take that off. I'm about to get that little piece of off. We gonna leave that right on the end. Wow, I got a little bit more in there. I like the bread, how it gets juicy. Y'all know that juicy bread reminds me of those White Castle hamburgers. Oh. That was hot.
Lao, what's it again? Lao Krathong.
Krathong, yep.
Lao Krathong.
Thong, da thong, thong, thong.
Yeah.
All right, I'm back,
Go
y'all.
down in a few hours.
The hot pepper was hot. I haven't had anything that hot since I've been in Thailand.
I'll be at the house.
We're going for the onion rings, y'all. They look legit.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot going on at the beach today. Any place where there's water.
Real onion rings.
Alright, I'll see you.
The onions taste nice and crisp. You know what I mean? The onion rings aren't soggy. They're nice and crisp. Taste the onion rings. You like onion rings? There we go. Cando's checking it out. We got that silhouette. You feel me?
Everything is good.
Everything's good.
Everything is good.
Yeah. Kando almost done with his steak, y'all.
I ain't playing around.
He said, y'all thought this was a game. He is not playing.
All I had was noodles earlier. I had some noodles earlier.
Oh, he was hungry.
Yeah.
He had noodle for breakfast, y'all.
Thailand.
Typical Thai brother, you know? Just like me. All right, I'm going in somewhere. This is a lot too, y'all. What's it, 200? And it's like $9. It's under $9, but I'm gonna say $9. French fries good. If I can do it all over again, y'all, I would left that Carolina Reaper stuff alone. I'm just kidding. It was hot though. My lips are hot right now. This is what I got left, y'all. This cheesesteak has been sitting for almost 10 minutes. That's what the clock says, and it's still piping hot. Temperature hot, not the Carolina Reaper hot. Hey y'all, I'm about to go to another event. Hopefully I can show y'all some video of that. Pretty dope event, but I hope we can get over there in time and get set up right. But this spot is the truth. It is some delicious cheesesteak. I would say that this is one of the best cheesesteaks I've had. And I'm here in Thailand. Big up to the owner of this spot, man. Thank you for the interview that he gave us. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people. I love you, cats. Don't go nowhere because we're going to the next spot. All right, y'all, I'm headed to the little cut-through alleyway. And the beach is right across the street. The waters are pretty rough today. They got the flowers for sale here that's gonna go out on the floaties right there, and they have the little basket floats. Loy Krathong is a Thai festival celebrated by floating decorated baskets called Krathongs on water to pay respect to the goddess of water, mark the end of the rainy season, and express gratitude. The festival is also known for sky lantern releases in northern Thailand. It seemed like the challenge is getting the candles lit while it's so windy. But they are definitely working on it. Wind's blowing this way. I think you're right. That's bad luck. She's so excited that bad luck is going out and her good luck is on the way. He needs to go get that one. Take it out deeper, buddy. Take it out deeper. Oh, they're not going up. They're not going up. And they go up. Oh, it's working. It almost went in the water. That's luck right there. They're gonna have luck. That's luck, y'all. Uh-oh, it's going the wrong way. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. That one's going up the wrong way, but it's gonna go. It's going. It's going. It's going the right way. It worked anyway. That's beautiful. That was Beautiful. Let's go watch some people like theirs. All right, let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. This one is about to light off. Seems like theirs is going further. And sometimes you just gotta let them go. That's one off. He's afraid to let it go. Let it go. There's a whole trail of them in the sky. It's like it's... Hey, let it go. He's afraid to let it go. There's a hole in there, huh? There's a hole. They're gonna try it again. There's a hole in that one. Oh, it worked. That's the one they was working on for the longest. It worked.